mutongereria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nandi ni akuromba magamba tira jarigirite gukinyanirwa gwa kiama ya IEBC kuthiranwa najo. Akiaria na andiki Nteto Kalonzo ariuga ni thirikari igutumira antu kiumbe gweta koti kenda kurigiria ukinyaniria bubu bwa IEBC. Harite ntuku imwe nyuma ya munini wa rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki kuorota rwangi rugambithania akiuga ni ruremetie magamba ja IEBC. Anthony Kathenya ari na Nteto Nkuruki.
Mathaa nyuma ya munini wa rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki gutetera thirikari kumakia miaria bandi ndega na thirikari iria muna olwale munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua ati thirikari ni ithite na mbere ukwamie mutaratara wa kuthondeka gwa kiama njeru ya IEBC. Kindiki kile wali bwa egoro akiuga ati mutaratara uju kwa mituni magamba mara mali koti ni mutongerio kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka akiario mndi ya lobby sinije kare na moja Nairobi ni aulitia gambithania balabala ungamire mutaratara uju gutejanire watho bule barutire watho bule akuga bwale bwa gutethire thirikari kwangaratani mutaratara uju wa uthondeki bwa commissioner bajeru by IEBC.
They have wasted a lot of time. Let them withdraw the case that is state-sponsored through a judge in Kiambu, user-friendly. Let him remain or let her remain nameless. But she knows what she has done because that was a tactic in order to delay the reconstitution of the panel in the first place and then the IEBC.
Mutongerio jo kiama kia Wiper kila kile ndani ya ngwatanire ya Azimio akimenagia Rais William Ruto na mutongerio wa ngwatanire ya Azimio Raila Odinga ni kulega kuona ni wendo bwa kuingia mendekithia maripoti ya NADCO ili kuthondekwa kwa IEBC.
One would have expected they amend it when they said, okay, we have now signed into law the Amendment Act of IEBC, that they were going now to move with speed. But instead, putting all manner of clogs and showing political bad faith. That is what I can call it.
Kalonzo akiulegia Rais William Ruto kwalanira na gambithania bala kugena sore bae kenda magamba mama matejanirwa.
We demand, Kenyans demand this, and I stand in solidarity with the church organizations who have also said the same. The ball is actually in William Ruto's court to tell his proxies to withdraw. You've just mentioned one of them. Withdraw the matter in the Court of Appeal.
Leo vile vile nimefika hapa kuwaambia ya kwamba ile project ilikuwa imekwama.
Na ukagitaka Kalonzo Musyoka kilo alani ya bobo bwayo mndi ni amaneti thirikari Rais William Ruto ni kile akuganio kule makuruta wera na kuthina mbere na weki nai bwantu gutekwa na kuragwa amuna alimbomu ya mutolile. Mutongerejo kiama kia Wiper akiuga gutikio kabaingera kwa lili na kumenelia ungumania bola buthite na mbele kile thirikari ya Rais William Ruto.
It has been a very difficult season marked by huge unemployment, heavy taxation, confusion in healthcare, lack of direction in education, oppressive university education funding, insecurity, impunity, state opulence, and a rigid government that does not listen to anybody.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, rangi wa Kathenya.